Hello everyone, on today's video we'll be unboxing and having a first look at what comes inside the Thermalright TL-C12CW-S RGB fan kit. Boy, is that a name. These fans are 12 volts, 120 millimeters, and are compatible with a 5 volt 3-pin ARGB header. I went with the white color since I'll be putting this inside a white computer case. We got a small paper sheet with the full specs inside. There are also 12 mounting Phillips screws that are included, 4 for each fan. I wish they were black instead of silver, but maybe silver matches better with white parts. Who knows? Let me know what you think. We get 3 fans, and each one comes with 2 cables. One is a 4-pin 12 volt cable to power the fan, and the other is the 5 volt 3-pin ARGB cable to power the ARGB lighting. You can daisy chain these fans together to control the lighting from a single ARGB header, since you have both female and male connectors. The fans feel and look well constructed, the plastic doesn't feel cheap, and they even have rubber bumpers on each corner to help reduce any vibration. As the recording of this video, these fans are selling for $13.90 in Amazon, and if you go with the black color, they're even cheaper at $12.98. What a steal. I'll leave a link in the description down below if you want to buy these. I bought these fans to install them in a 10-year-old PC that didn't have any RGB, to make it look a little more modern. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss that video. So there you have them. You can't go wrong with these fans. They are an amazing value for $13.90 and they feel and look great. So if you're planning to install any ARGB fans in your computer, these are a very affordable option. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like the video if you liked it, and also don't forget to clean 8-bit.